actually the development and the inspiration that we can give to future leaders.
Tell me about your business last week. Is there anything you would change about this shop?
She's given me direction, support, learning, like everything that I could have asked for and more. She lives it, she lives and breathes it, and I wanted that in my life. She really brings the true definition of leader to life.
Both Dawn and Doris Fisher believed that we could actually essentially change the communities that we work and live in each day, and ultimately create a customer base that way as well, and supporting them.
Now, when Old Navy comes down, the kids know their names.
I actually went to the Boys and Girls Club growing up as well. We're really proud of the accomplishment that we made, but really we want to bring it home for our community so they are able to have the supplies and everything that they need.
To find out, other than myself or the staff, someone's showing some interest and taking the time to come and talk to them and ask them, how was your day at school? Or, let me help you with your homework, or let's do this project, or just sit and talk. Volumes for some of the kids down there.
They actually do know us by name, so they all get super excited whenever they hear us and they see us show up. Not always do we have it, but we make the time to spend with them, and we just make sure we're there to help them learn and grow.
Jessica consistently goes above and beyond for the community.
So we never lose focus of the customer, and they are the reason we show up each and every day.